Hey guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and what's been practical in this tutorial. How to terminate or wipe out or remove or unlock permanently any iCloud activation locked links from any Apple device. Right now, as we see, I'm facing iPhone lock to owner. So of course, in this tutorial, I would like to show you clue and trick tips. By using that strategy, you will be able to unlock permanently this iCloud lock to owner situations when your device has been stuck, or in a case your device is blacklisted, is stolen mode, lost mode. Also in that condition, this will work effectively. Right now, as we see here, this device has been locked to owners, guys. Yes, we don't have any opportunity. If I backs, then it's saying that your phone or this phone was lost. Erase the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this device. So what can I say, guys? Here, to unlock this device, enter the Apple ID and password that were used to or were used during setup this device. So we don't know anything. Don't worry. At the end of this tutorial, if you watch the full clearly, then by execution of tips and tips, you will be able to, of course, permanently, yes, remove this iCloud activation lock links. As we see, guys, this data has been connected here. So if I once again connect, now see what will happen. Yes, we will enter. So now see, after accessing the data, it's going to trap in there. That condition, now of course we have to open another tool, that is a 3U tool, guys. Let's access this iTunes. Don't worry. Now as we see, of course the 3U tool is preparing. So don't worry, almost it's prepared. Let me get this, yeah, and of course this should be here. Now this has been finally connected, guys. So what we will do here now, yes, we will click here, and upon we will go for OK. Then of course we will come the toolbox 2, we will come in the crash analysis, guys. This is a very important thing. We have to go in the file inside, we have to delete all the things from here. So finally 8 files have been deleted successfully. Fine, once again by the refreshing, we can check it out, and thereupon of course once again we will go in here and we will check it out here. Yes, this is a still lock links. Then of course we will back it, and thereupon we will come here to open run as administrations, that is especially Amazing PC, guys. In Amazing PC you will have to connect once again. If it is not going to connect it very well, then see here we will go, yes, we will go as FreeSlam trial version, no problem at all. Start the tour, etc. Just we will back it. We will back, and of course we will go for continue. It's a thing that of course you will have to connect a data cable the once again, guys, for your confirmation. So let's disconnect, and once again we will have to connect it. Now this device, the cam, the finally here a little bit it's hanged, but don't worry, I will cut it, and the one of course the device has been, I will backs, and yeah, almost we will. Now see, we will come the devices one, and of course we will hit this one. Now this scan the finally all the details of here. We will backs and the point of curves. Let's just show device the console of this ones. All the console we will have to declare because whatever the old data or redundant files or of course the corrupted file due to that, especially your device is linked to an Apple ID in that condition occurs or in these conditions. Once again, when you, especially after doing the everything, if you get any internet connection on this, then of course it will be linked to an Apple ID, and once again it will trap in there or it won't be able to unlock. So in that condition, we will have to declare all the old data. That's via console. Yes, we will clear, and of course, for 5 times it tells the especially date of date of the 2 days not coming. Yes, let's clear. Yes, let me clear. Now almost we have the clear. Now it's a time to especially put this device into the hair. Here just no, this step not required. We need especially enter RAC mode, recovery mode, guys, and of course on the other hand we will clear. Now this device will rest in the DFU mode. They almost especially see the white screen is coming, so almost we have to clear this. Now this device going especially MC in DFU mode. Now, of course, we will cut it, and thereupon, of course, we will come in a especially smart flash options. In a smart flash CRC that I have downloaded. Yes, if you want, then of course you can go for beta version. Total capacity and the size is especially more than 7 GB. So that's why for saving time, actually, I had downloaded this one, guys. Now it's a time, especially to open this one. So if you click on the refresh, then you will have the option 2 3. Then try to approach the beta version, otherwise RC versions. And thereupon of course here we will have to, we have three features. One is a retain user data, second is especially quick flash mode, and third is anti-recovery flash mode, and fourth one is a fixed flash. So what we will do, just if you would like to execute this once, and then of course we will come the quick flash mode, because retain user data will be especially retained or remanded once again. And due to that, especially as we know that I have the clear all the old data and the particles that is inside on this device, especially by console, and of course the crash analysis I accumulated, and I had especially cleared by the console. Now it's time to not select this one, because if by mistakenly or if there is any redundant or of course data that is saved or remain, then of course it will cast the Apple trouble that this is linked to an Apple ID. So that's why don't go for anti-recovery flash mode. If you like to recover the data after unlocking, then of course this can be the possible. So that's why don't go with the and the fix flash. No, we don't have to actually fix the iOS or especially IPSW. So in that condition, we will go for quick, and of course we will select this one RC, and of course we will hit this one. So in that condition, say this is a very important, so crucial important thing that we would like to tell you here, guys. Before the goings, that if you had especially, let me cut it. If you had downloaded especially this IPSW or this one's from here IPSW beta. Of course, if you would like to download, you have to come to the IPSW beta version, and then of course you will have to select that model. So especially this is the iPhone, and iPhone here, suppose whatever your device you had, according to that just you have to select. So here suppose this is 15 Pro, so 15 Pro, of course we have a RC version here also and beta version also. So how easily you can, with the one clicks you will be able to download it, guys. Now It's time to especially come on here to hit this one, the flash option, and we will see. See the before in the here, of course, you can on iTunes also by a clicking. Just you will have to hold the here window button, and of course you have to click this one option. So let's see. Now as we see, it's connecting to update, so don't go with especially iTunes. Just now it has started to. When you would like to SVSlam do everything so that by using a 3 iTunes, when the 3 tool is not working properly, then of course this strategy will works. So right now as we see, it has started and the timer is going on there, and this iTunes has been automatically disconnected. So now it's the time to especially close this iTunes. Of course we can close this also, guys, here. And thereupon, of course, we will see the crucial importance in the steps here, step by step. Now this data cable has been connected here, and of course as we see all the things now it's trying to, it has been placed on the 38%. We will see what will happen. Don't do anything, so guys, in the midst of, don't disconnect also. Yes, don't disconnect, because that clearly matches that the flashing iDevice without user data. Please don't disconnect iDevice from the PC, otherwise you will have the problem. Now 39% it has been the rest. So let's see what will happen furthermore. If any kind of the error will come, so then of course you will have to mention below the comment box. So pleasure will be mine to reply to the query, guys. And this data keyword should be a push side. Let's, so that especially will be more visible. Now how easily, especially see this data cable has been connected with PC. Easily at your home without any hassle. Of course you can unlock. Now, of course, as we see, we have reached on 47%, but don't worry, sometimes it will restart once again, multiple times. It will once again uh, back on, then once again it will go back, or it will rest on the 49, 59, or I'm the 70. It can be rest on the 25% also once again after restarting. So don't worry, whatever it's happening, don't do it. Anything especially on a computer, let it especially itself. So when you have especially in the half an hour or the 20 minutes, then go for this procedure, because if any error will come, so that's will you will have to address also by manually putting this device into the DFU mode or recovery mode. Then under upon, of course, you will have to execute the whole strategy that I mentioned for you at your home. But if your device is a blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode, in that condition, what you will have to, you have to utilize the virtual private networks there. Otherwise, of course, you will be able to especially the test that this device has been connected with what device. So let's force that especially, and now it has been released on the 56%, and it's writing the file system. So see what will happen. So we will check it out furthermore. If there any kind of incidents or the issues is coming, of course we will fix together. Watch carefully. Talent of this tutorial, guys. Most of course that we have completed 60%, 69. I'm sorry, 59%. One thing more I would like to tell you, if the iTunes or SV Slam 3U tools or Imagine PC is giving any kind of the error, yes, you can fix it. Just it is the comment below the comment box. And one thing more that is very, very important things that I would like to tell you. Through your tool is sometimes not fetching the proper data. Crash analysis won't be especially they detect it, or spontaneously, of course, you won't be able to delete console data by using imaging caching. Why? Because of your internet connection is not fetching the properly, of course, getting the proper and the functional on that server that you have the especially created for Apple. So in that condition, of course, you will have to understand what is the solder zone of your, what's the solder zone, where is I'm the purchase sales zone, especially of purchase, or especially I'm the sales zone of device. And after getting after getting it, you will have to create by using artificial, of course, virtual private networks, similar sort zones. Or if still it's not working, then you will have to blindly change the internet connections. Go with this especially directly data, I mean internet connections via data, or sorry, data cable, or especially you can go with the especially the Wi-Fi also. Just you will have to change, and also especially internet connections by your mobile device or by another device, especially change your internet connection that conditions. By changing internet connection, of course, it's easy to get a good frequency and good server on website. From that website, you would like to fetch the whole the data. Because right now, she is sending the firmware updated data. So in that condition, of course, so there should be a proper space line internet connections. If it's not being got in the space, the proper the net internet connection, then it will give you the midst of the errors. In that condition, you will have the problem, guys. And if it is going to stuck on especially iCloud, then of course you will have the problem. And the problem is that yes, manually you will have to do the everything. So by putting the, you will have to put this device into recovery DFU, and of course you will have to especially do a simple strategy. So you will have to know the specific key of especially DFU mode, or especially the recovery mode. So that's why don't do anything. Just come with this strategy without doing jailbreaks, guys. See, sometimes if any percentage, either it is a support here, 71% is especially stuck. So in that condition, don't worry, it will directly bypass the 70 to 90 or 100%. So it's totally dependent on the server how frequently it's working, guys. And this device has been connected as we see now. And of course we have lost the 18 minutes on it, but mostly 99% is your device. If there is no any hardware problems, then of course definitely it will work. Almost 72% is completed. We will have to wait and watch. I know this video is going to become lengthy, but what we will do, guys. Now see, directly it has been placed on the, congratulations, the clean flash has been completed. What you see, guys. Now let it restart itself device, and of course this Apple device will restart, and of course it will notify that your device has been. So now it's the time to execute two steps that is very crucial, guys. What is that? See, yes, firstly we will have to become the toolbox. In toolbox we will have to go for batch activations. Yes, we will have to select this one, and thereupon of course hit this one. So now it has started to here, and now it's trying to the skips. We will have to wait and watch carefully, guys, step by step. So now I'm relaxing, and we will see second step. Here it will take time, guys, approximately, of course, 1 to 2 minutes or 3 minutes, sometimes the 5 minutes can be expected also here. activating and of course activating and escaping the setup whole system. When I was trying to log in, then of course, as we know that on the time it was demanding the I enter the Wi-Fi password, and of course I try to enter the Apple ID and password that's were used to set up this device. So what a step I'm just giving here now, because we had already cleared all the older data that's were the inside on it. So no chances. If a little bit we will get a good server, then of course it will works. Still it's skipping, so don't worry, and it is of course working. It's still skipping, guys, don't worry. It will take time, but don't worry, relax. You have to do nothing. Now see, successfully it has been skipped, guys. Now we are here. Now once again it's time to go for the confirmation that by click OK, and of course we will go for the activation step, and of course we will select this one. So it's not taken, selecting the all here, and upon of course hit this one. So we will have to wait a 10 second here. 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, and upon of course it will be highlighted. So let's hit this one. Now it's trying to deactivate. This one also completed. So now what we will do, guys, here, see, there is no internet connection inside of that, because on it on this same network is coming, but internet connection is not activated in there. So what we will do, guys, here now, of course we will go for login. Here logging means of course we will try to especially got it, and upon of course once again we will come to create, go for Wi-Fi. So now see, it's taking to activate time, and of course we will go for messages saying that I don't know, this is old iTunes, that's why it's asking again and again to the repair of that's now C device, trying to especially on this. Let's, after assessing data, what's the messages that are coming inside there. Yes, they're still coming. What's the message will comes? Still here. Now it's assessing data. Now set up to other new options. This ones. Fine, we have the gotten. This message is not a coming. So what we will do here? See, on this iTunes, it has been especially unlocked finally, but here is still having error on this. So once again it's time to come on the batch activation, guys. So where it is, batch activations, just to set up this escape, and we will go for hit this one once again. Now I will come, so once again, to don't connect any internet connection, guys. Let do itself on it. If it is not taken, then once again we will close this item and we will go for an administration once again. Yes, we will go for this ones. Still it's taking time, don't worry. Yes, we will back. Now of course we will go for login, then the upon of course will come the sign in to, especially we will go for create. Now see, this profile of this iTunes is coming, but don't worry, we have to become the account to sign in, especially we have to go for create. It's still stuck on this device, that is a country zone, maybe now see, guys, it has gone directly. Sometimes internet and of course the server is not getting proper frequency, that's why that happens. Yes, we will go for here, don't have any ID, just we will click on here, guys. See, as we see, there is no any internet connection inside of that, guys, only on the scene The seam is also not a fully functional. How it shows, see. Firstly, I would like to check it out. See, internet connection, Wi-Fi is not proper connected, and thereupon if I see here, this one is a call file. So how could it be possible that SIM is also not working right now, guys? So here once again we will go for sign in. Might be having the error, but don't worry. See, SIM card is not working. In that condition, what you will do, guys, once again you will have to select the reboot option and hit this ones. And of course we will come the once again here and we will go for sign in to create 2-3 times. Here we have a two option. If you would like to create especially new Apple ID and password on this Apple device via especially or by virtue of special iTunes, then of course go with this similar strategy. There's the account to a sign in, guys. Sign in to the create. This is the old iTunes, so that's why actually it's not assessing the proper way, but don't worry, this device is restarting. So we will check it out, the SIM connection. It's not on a hello screen, guys. Directly it has been placed on here. So firstly let me check it out. Yes, now it has taken finally SIM connections. So see how it's easily taken. So now we can go for especially connection on the Wi-Fi. Just we will select this ones, and thereupon of course we can connect especially Wi-Fi password. Yes, we will go for join. Now it's the time to connect to Wi-Fi, guys. And here as we see, it's still not signing. So in that condition, we can go for continue. Now Wi-Fi has been also connected. So in that condition, of course, we can go for create a new Apple ID by itself. Also, there is no any ID, so we will go for don't have create. Date of birth. Now it's asking that you can create a new Apple ID on here because date of birth is coming. So go for further enter date of the birth, etc., etc., and then you can go for the create new Apple ID. Here is iTunes is taking time, guys. Sometimes due to old one, not say latest updated iTunes, but this will be more beneficial that you are using the old iTunes, guys, not using especially new and latest update. Sometimes especially pros and cons for everything, as we know that. So that's why. Now we can close this ones and still having here on iTunes. It's not a problem assessing. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. For the inquiry, of course, they have the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be mine to the reply of the query, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.